Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop destination for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products. Today, we've got something exciting for all you Fitbit Luxe owners out there. It's the AK Sport Band, a soft silicone replacement strap designed for both men and women. Let's dive right into it. First things first, the AK Sport Band is exclusively designed for the Fitbit Luxe Fitness and Wellness Tracker. So, if you own a Luxe, this could be a game changer for you. Please note, the tracker itself is not included in the package. Now, let's talk about the material. These bands are made from premium silicone. It's soft, flexible, and feels great against your skin. Plus, it's waterproof, which means you can wear it during your workouts or even in the rain without any worries. No more skin irritation, folks. One size does not fit all, right? Well, the AK Sport Band offers options for all wrist sizes. You can choose between small and large sizes. And the best part? They come in unique colors like smoke violet, milk tea, and starlight, giving your Fitbit Luxe a personalized and fashionable look. You'll definitely stand out in the crowd. Installation is a breeze. Just snap it onto your Fitbit Luxe, and you're good to go. No need for any special tools or complicated steps. It's designed to make your life easier. We put this band to the test, and it's incredibly durable. It can handle your toughest workouts and daily wear and tear. It won't let you down. And now for the cherry on top, the price. The AK Sport Band is priced at just $6.99. It's an affordable way to refresh your Fitbit Luxe and make it uniquely yours. In conclusion, the AK Sport Band for Fitbit Luxe is a fantastic accessory for those looking to upgrade their fitness tracker. With its compatibility, high-quality material, size and color options, ease of installation, durability, and budget-friendly price, it checks all the right boxes. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to style and convenience. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you own a Fitbit Luxe, don't miss out on this fantastic accessory. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.